to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, we have a collaboration and it's called the End of Summer Tea Party Collaboration. This is being hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, myself, the Grace Life DIY home decor. We also have Barbie Daily Rule Life in the Valley. We have Jennifer at Home, May's Design Corner, and we also have Debbie Bubbles. I am so excited about this collaboration, guys. So this is my newest set right here, and I just had to show this to you first. So like I said, as in all collaborations, we always follow YouTube etiquettes. So this was a sign that I purchased at Dollar Tree, and it says "You and me and a cup of tea." Perfect. Then this teapot right here, is that not absolutely gorgeous? That was a thrifted item, okay? And then these mugs right here with the roses popping out of it, guys, goes perfectly with this teapot set. And I got these at Five Below. I love them. They look absolutely amazing. Over here we have the little pink dish with some tea on it here, but I went ahead and I did a tablescape for you. So let's start over here with this beautiful, beautiful set of roses. And these roses, I did get them in two colors. So you have this one here, and then you have that color pink. And then I stuck some eucalyptus on each side. Now this vase here goes perfectly with this theme. I'm absolutely loving it. This is the first time I've used it all summer. It is beautiful. So that was a thrifted item as well. I am loving that. So we're gonna come over here, and I also thrifted this. Is that not the most adorable canister you've ever seen? So inside here we have our cookies. Now I did do a place setting, so let's go ahead and break that down. But before I do that, let me show you my centerpiece. So this was the centerpiece that was previously already done here for another video, and I loved it so much. All I did was change out or move the boxwood greenery ball there, and then I added my blackbird here. I absolutely love the color of that candle, and I kept the two black candles on the end. Okay, so that looks beautiful. And this tray here is absolutely amazing. Again, this corner here was my tea set, and I'm gonna give you another look at it. Look at those cups. That's why I like going to Five Below, guys. They have such beautiful things. So this is my little tea corner right here. So let's break down this tablescape. So we have this neutral, this beige table napkin, and then we have the napkin rings. That was from Party City when they were open. Over here I kept the flatware that came from Home Goods. I like that flatware. They also come in colors. I'm gonna try to get me some more. Now this was thrifted. I absolutely love this set. Okay, so this is the salad plate, and then we have the dinner plate. And then there we have the charger, and that black charger came from Dollar Tree as well. So the plates were thrifted items, and then this charger came from the Dollar Tree. Then we have that boxwood placemat, and that came from Hobby Lobby. So this is how I decided to layer it. Okay, that's how I decided to layer it. And I just thought that would look nice, guys. Okay, so we have the wine glass, and that came from the Dollar Tree. Then we have the water glass, and this was from Goodwill. Okay, so that was thrifted. Now this was thrifted as well. This is what I think that's what I said to you before. And that's a canister, so we have our cookies in there. Then this was thrifted, this vase as well, but the florals all came from the Dollar Tree, except for the eucalyptus that came from Walmart. And I believe I covered everything here. This looks absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave you to the reveal and some music. So this was an amazing tea party, and I hope that you enjoyed my video. So if you did, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.